Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the 6 things that poor people do that rich people don't. Now, with that being said, cue the intro. So, 6 things that poor people do that rich people don't. The very first one is poor people watch TV, rich people read books. Now, this is a fairly large one, so what this means is not just poor people watch TV and rich people read books, but poor people like to chill. And like they come home from work and they just sit on their couch and they do nothing really interesting and no learning. Rich people learn. Rich people read books, watch informative videos, listen to podcasts and all these things that could be apparent to reading books. Now, reading books is one of them, but it's not the only one. So that's the very first thing. Number 2, poor people get paid based on time, rich people get paid on results. Now, think of this. If you have a job right now and you work, let's say, at McDonald's or something like that. So you work at McDonald's and you go there from 9 to 5 and you get paid X amount per hour. And if you work at any job, pretty much it's the same thing. You work X amount per hour. You may be the best at your job. If you are getting paid to do this, you are getting paid to do this, and that's how much you're getting paid as well. However, on the flip side, if you own a business and you spend 3 years creating something that you think is going to be awesome, and you spend a ton of time, and when it comes out, when your product comes out, it's a complete flop and nobody buys it. Nobody cares about it. That's just the way it is. You're not getting paid anything. Nobody is going to care how long you spent on that. You are not getting paid. If there's no results, you're not getting paid. Now, on the flip side, if you spend a year doing something that's really awesome and that people really want, you get paid a lot of money. And I mean a lot. If it's a really good product that everyone wants, then you are going to get paid a lot. So, as soon as you figure out a way to get paid based on results and getting paid even while you sleep, this is the first way to getting rich. Number 3 is poor people base their misfortune on other people. Rich people take responsibility for their failures. Now, what this means is you see all these people and you know them, I know them, I've been there before, and you've probably been there before if you're not right there right now, and you have something happen and you say, oh, that's that person's fault. I'm not getting paid enough. That's because of my boss, or because of the economy. I can't afford this because of X. And what rich people do instead is, well, I can't afford this. That is purely my fault because I didn't put in the work to actually do it, or I didn't put myself in a position to be able to afford what I want to afford. And that is very powerful. The reason it's very powerful is as soon as you take responsibility, you are going to be 10 times more powerful than you were before. The reason this is because you're not giving up power. Because if it's other people's fault and that's what you believe, and you don't make enough money, and that can be anything in life, but this is a make money online channel, so by the way, daily videos, subscribe. So as soon as you take responsibility away from you, you're giving up power. As soon as you take the responsibility, you are going to be able to take the power back and do something about it. you are able to, you are able to do anything that you want in life as long as you put in the work and you take the responsibility for it. Number 4, poor people focus on saving, rich people focus on investing. Now, this is the same thing, and if you don't have much money, you have to save up. However, a penny is a penny. Like, no matter if you save it or not, a penny is a penny, and that's not how you're going to get rich. If you invest it in your business, if you invest it in learning, if you invest it in course, if you invest in all sorts of different things, that's where you're going to get the return, and that's how you're going to get rich. Because rich people always focus on investing rather than saving. And you don't have to have a ton of money to invest, because as I said, like buying a course is investing. Buying some software that will help you make some more money is investing. And so you don't have to spend a ton of money, but the rich people, once they do have a ton of money, they usually put it into something like real estate or something like that. But if you focus on investing in yourself and in your business rather than saving it, that will help you grow your money rather than it just sitting there and waiting till you're 135, and then you might be able to be worth $500,000 or something. But if you invest in yourself, it can go much quicker, especially now that we have internet. So focus on investing rather than saving. Number 5, poor people know it all, rich people try to improve. So this is a big one, and that's not like everyone, but a lot of people think they know it all. But if you look at them, they're very unhappy. They're not making much money. And by the way, if you're not making much money and you're happy with it, then great, that's awesome. Like, congrats. I know so many people that are making very little money and that are very happy. So this is kind of like, when I talk about rich people, is not just rich like money wise, even though this is a like make money online channel, but it's like in all aspects of your life. So if you try to improve, there you go. So poor people think they know it all, rich people always try to improve. And this is kind of like the first point, but I know of people that think they know it all. Like, you know, they say things like, yeah, like, I've thought of blogging even before it was popular. Like, I could have done that because I was traveling around the world at that time, and I could have made a blog and I could have made a living out of it. And it's very easy. Like, those people have it really easy. I could have done that ages ago. And I'm like, then why did you not do it? Like, people think that it's so easy, and those people are like saying like, yeah, I could have done it, then why are you not doing it? If you're unhappy right now, why the hell are you not doing it? Like, you thought of it before it was popular, then do it. And you try to tell them something like how to make money, and they'll be like, yeah, I know that. Okay, then did you implement it? And rich people always try to improve. So again, it's not just money wise, but you see all these like people that are making a ton of money, they're never like just chilling and not doing anything. They're always trying to improve, whether it's themselves, their business, like getting better at productivity, and so many other aspects. They always try to improve. And so many people that like are broke, and again, I'm not just talking about money here, like, they think they know it all and they could have done it, but they never do it. So there you go. That's one of the big things. Like, I always see these people, so I could ramble on for like 2 hours about this point, because It drives me crazy. All these people that think it's very easy and they could have done it, but they never do it. So there you go. Number 7, poor people have a lottery mentality, rich people have an action mentality. Okay, so this is the reason so many people get scammed. Like, so many people, and like I see this on Facebook groups all the time, and that one kind of drives me crazy as well. But poor people have a lottery mentality, rich people have an action mentality. Meaning, I see so many people on Facebook groups and they're always trying to make quick money. Like, that is real. Like, I see this every single day. They are like asking, like, yeah, like, give me a solution, a copy and paste solution where I can get paid really quick. You're like, no, like, that's called a job, or it's called a fantasy. It's not called like making money online. If you want to make money online, you are going to have to take some action. If you want to make some passive income, you are going to have to take some action before you actually make that passive income. Again, that's one of the points that I could talk about this for 2 hours, just repeating the same thing over and over, but really drives me crazy. Like, all these people are just trying to make the quick money really fast, and like, sure enough, like, someone will respond, yeah, I've got a solution, send me a DM, and then when they send a DM, they'll be like, yeah, you just like invest $10 and I'll make you 2,000 or 9,000, 900,000 or $1,000,000. And they're like, yeah, that sounds good. Then they give them their $10 and they never see the $10 again. And that's like really like cool, because $10 isn't that much, but like some people are a lot more clever than that, and they'll make you like get like, if you spend $100 and I make you $1,000,000, like, those people will be like, yeah, that sounds good. And then they lose their $100 or their life savings or $60,000, like, which was their whole saving with like their entire life. But rich people know that they have to take action to get the money. Like, just like I said before, if you want to make some money online, it's going to take some time. It's not going to like make you money overnight. It's going to be working towards it every single day for a long period of time. So, I hope that you got some value from these 7 steps. Now, keep in mind that I do put out a video every single day, 7 days a week, so you don't want to miss any of my videos out. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell right beside it, because that will notify you every time that I put a video out. And also make sure that you watch my other videos, because there's a ton of value in there, and exactly how you can make passive income and how you can make money online. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.